Ah, romance. Talk about flowers that wilt and chocolates you didn't get to pick out. Let's flip the script. This year, we're not gonna be bitter, we're just gonna be better. Over medium-high heat, add some vegetable oil and 4 popcorn kernels. Once those 4 kernels pop, you know that your oil is hot and ready for the rest of your Dell Cove Spices Better Off single popcorn kernels. Next, add some dark chocolate and espresso powder into a microwave-safe container and melt until smooth. Why espresso? Because sometimes a little extra energy is the fuel you need for a solid yap session with your besties. Once the chocolate is silky smooth, drizzle it all over the popcorn. Be generous. It's time to treat yourself and your favorite people. Toss it gently so every kernel gets that dark chocolate love. Then the piece de resistance, Dell Cove Spices chocolate caramel seasoning. A little extra flair because the group chat will not settle for anything less than extra. And that's it. Dark chocolate and espresso powder. The perfect pair for someone who knows they're not bitter, just better. Your ex, trust me, they're stale chocolate at best. For more recipes, gourmet popcorn kernels, seasonings, and more, check out DellCoveSpices.com. Because unlike your ex, we won't ghost you.